Hey Fox, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to fix Windows Resource Protection could not start the repair service after sfc /scan now here in your Windows R computer. So without any further ado, let's begin. So the very first step that you need to do is here at the bottom search bar, you need to type for services. Once you have typed that, you go for the best match. Just have to double tap to proceed again. And once you are here at the services window, you need to select any of the service and system and you need to type for W. And here you need to look for Windows Modules Installer. Just have to scroll down and once you have to find it, which is here in my case next to Windows Mobile Hotspot Service, just have to do a right click and go with properties. And here in this small window, you need to go with startup type and change it into manual. So if in your case it is being set to automatic delayed start, automatic or disabled, you need to go with manual and then start the service. Once you have started, click on apply and then OK. So once you are done, just have to close this window and then you need to check if your problem has been fixed. Okay. So at the bottom search bar, please type for CMD and a system code command prompt will appear. You go with run as administrator. So your user account go will ask you to say yes. Just go with yes so that you would be able to open this window. Here, please type sfc /scan now again. Okay. Then click on enter. Now it is being fixed and it is now starting to do system scanning. So this process will take some time. Just have to wait and leave this command prompt window open unless you are done. Okay. So once you are done, then close this window and then you need to restart your computer. Once you have restarted it, you're good to go. Okay. So that's it. If you think this video helps, then don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and take care, everyone.